What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Yes, we are filming a vlog with my new 17 Pro Max. I'm not sure how short or long this video will be, but I am going to be going around filming my day just to show you guys. Right now we are using the new, I believe it's 18 megapixel upgraded front camera. I'm not gonna do no color correction, nothing like that. We'll be filming in 4K 24 frames per second and 4K 60 frames per second for those of you who are wondering. I do have the Hollyland microphone currently plugged into it. Stay tuned and follow me along, and let's have a beautiful day spent together. I'm still on the front facing camera. I wanted to take the microphone off just so you guys can hear me, what it sounds like without the microphone. I do have it detached, as you can see, and the birds are singing. But yeah, I have no extra gimmicks, no fancy stabilized rig mounts, nothing like that. Just my hand, my phone, maybe my Ulanzi mount with me, and then my microphone. That's it. This year I decided to pick up the orange Pro Max in 512 gigabytes. I was really on the fence for the iPhone 17. That green color, it reminded me of matcha so much. But I was like, you know what, we'll give the pumpkin a chance. And I wanted that big battery. It's supposed to have 39 hours. I didn't pick up any of their cases in store. I just have a clear case from Amazon. But if you're picking up that blue color, I'm going to insert my videos that I took. I tried doing it quick because the store was packed. Please add a phone case. Most of those phones in store were already scratched. Enough jibber jabbering, let's go. I want to go see if I could find a new cafe. If you live in Minnesota and you have a good cafe recommendation, let a girl know. Specifically with good matcha, please. Everybody say hi. Something so we won't get haunted. We're back. We just came from my new second home, and I was astonished by this place, guys, because it looks like an abandoned, like a warehouse or like factory on the outside, but then you go on the inside and it's just a bunch of mini pop-ups, like for anything related with art. There's people working on their arts inside, ceramics, clothing, you name it. It's like 3 or 4 levels, but we just went to one store and then explored the first floor. I didn't have no offerings for the little cult offering window thing at the bottom, so I'm hoping no spirits attached to me. Got some goodies. Got this little silver trinket dish, which I love. Then I got another silver dish, also $8. It's tiny. I love this. I have started my collection with the Avon Cape Cod, and look at how beautiful it is. I finally found the bell. She is beautiful. This was only $7. Honestly, you guys, they had their prices so fair price because when you go to antique shops or anything like that, the past like probably like 2 3-ish towns, they sell this for like double the price. I bet your ass this would probably be like at least $15 to $20 at the places that I've shopped at already. The bell, I thought it was going to be more expensive, like at $20 to $25. Nope, they were selling it for $7. So I believe their prices are fairly priced. They have mirrors, candles, candle holders, sets. It was beautiful in there. Definitely my vibe. So I will be going back. Y'all, this has crack in it. It's so good. Same with the black sesame drink. My gosh. guys, we're back in my cave. In honor of spooky season, I did get these 2 books at Barnes & Noble as part of their buy one get one 50% off. And if you guys know, I'm a very introverted, comfortist person. I like going to places that I know won't be packed, but today we made it through the cities. Guys, it actually wasn't that bad. If you live near the Twin Cities, I do recommend you going out to visit that cafe. It was immaculate. Not only the food, the donboris were amazing, but that matcha, guys, if you watched my Dunkin' video, you already know what happens to me when I drink coffee. I'm not a coffee drinker. So when I do visit cafes, I do get bummed out when their matcha isn't good because that's all I get. So I do either look for some sort of food or pastry, a good matcha drink. And this had everything checked off for me: the food, the drinks, the vibes were amazing. Matcha was great. Visited a cafe last week that I was filming for another vlog I have going on, and I loved the place. Vibes were great. It is an amazing cafe to go and visit and just chill, but the matcha really disappointed me. This place did not. And that black sesame drink, it was something new that I tried and I loved it. The vampire sale was so cool. Can't wait to go back and see some more goodies. And it was just cool overall to see how the phone held up. There was no overheating. I do have some overheating problems on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. But also the zoom in power on this thing. Hello, on the clip of me at the park, I zoomed in at that building and that was crystal clear. That was sick. Of course, it does not compare to a Samsung S25, but it was still pretty cool. And then I'm still getting used to the side shutter button on the iPhone. I keep forgetting that you could just press it and it'll bring the camera up and you can take pictures and videos that way. And I also keep forgetting that you can actually film vertically, hold it vertically, and film horizontally now, which is another cool thing. But yeah, I'm excited to edit this video, and I really truly forgot how convenient it is vlogging on the phone. I do vlog separately from my phone. I started off doing makeup videos here on YouTube, but I needed a place where I can separate my life and my filming, because if you know, content takes so much space on your phone, and I just needed something to divide my workspace. But it's so much more convenient. All you have to do is carry your phone and your microphone if you have one. Even then, I feel like the iPhones have a good built-in microphone for videos as is. Really wasn't gonna upgrade. If you guys have a 15, anything before at 14, even a 13, don't upgrade. Phones are very expensive nowadays, unless if you want to upgrade, of course, that's your choice. I only upgraded because it is my sister's first big girl purchase. I wanted to buy her first phone, so I upgraded for that reason. Now I have a walking pumpkin with me all year round. Me personally, I was like, you know what, let's try it. It is a color. We've been asking Apple to bring a color for the Pro Maxes, and they did just that. It's just orange and it's not everybody's favorite, but so far, so good. Let me know if you guys want a vlog filmed on my Z Flip 7. I can do that for you guys as well. And I'm done yapping. That's all I got for you guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, what the heck are you doing? But I do like to post casual vlogs, cinematic vlogs. I do also like doing some makeup videos here and there. I've been filming a lot of food mukbangs or food review videos recently, which you guys have been loving. I also have some fall content coming up here soon. So subscribe, pick up that remote, subscribe. Hit subscribe on your phone. It takes 2 seconds. I do a little bit of everything, un poquito de todo on this channel. Stick around for the ride. Come and join the family, la familia. I hope you spooky vampies, ghouls, Draculas, Draculoras, commoners, and peasants. I'm kidding. Have a beautiful, wonderful, fabulous night or day wherever you guys are located. And I will see you guys on my next video. Adios, guys. Peace.